Bonjour, I am just coming from the meet and greet when the new students are coming to South France here, and I want to talk to you about something that I think will bring you some value. Because have you ever thought about it that actually sometimes art is not working out for you because you are using art for something that is not art, has nothing to do with art. What do I mean by this? Every time when the new students are coming together, we are talking why they are here, what they are expecting, so we can set some goals. And during the time, I'm always observing something at certain students that is always holding them back later on in the artistic process. And it is some kind of expectation where I think, what does it have to do with art? What do I mean by this? I think to just stick through my thinking out loud now will bring you some value. Of course, most likely I have put down below in the link down below that will provide you with instant strategies, methods, and much more value than me thinking out loud. Let me explain what I mean by this. I have some friends that has a lot of money, and these friends often are buying things to achieve a certain not related outcome. Let me explain it a little bit more. A friend of mine is a little bit older, around 50-55, and he's getting older, that's normal, and he now bought something he would never have bought before, a sports car. It is a little bit funny how this man is looking in this car. Nevertheless, he bought this car because he not wanted the car. He wanted the feeling of being young and dynamic again, and so on. So for him, the answer for being young, or to avoid to get older, or to avoid to thinking about becoming older and so on, the answer for this is the sports car. And it is strange when you think about it, what has a piece of metal and an engine and some rubber to do with people getting older? And they are not colorated in a way, not fitting together. And I think, as funny as this old man looks now in this Maserati, I think in the same way he is with time will become unhappy, because the answer to accept him getting older is not the sports car. So this car will not bring him the happiness, the balance that he's expecting. In the same way, we artists are often expecting from art, or from our artistic achievement, something that art is not made for. And one of the things that is always obvious is the topic of happiness. I came here to South France to find my happiness again with art. Okay, it is possible. Art, especially when you are doing art in such an outstanding landscape, will make you happy. But art is not here to make you happy. So this artist, the student, I know right now that when the exercises, because we are doing here high demanding exercises, I am all about outcome and high performance, so that people have some outcomes when they are going back. So it is important that during this time there will be some challenges, there will be some hard work involved. And when this hard work on art is not instantly providing for such artists the happiness that they are instantly expecting, they are becoming very negative, and they are becoming pessimistic, and they are not, their expectations are not met, and then they are so distracted, instead putting all the energies that they are having in the exercises and bringing forward better art, trying different things. They are becoming distracting more and more with the emotions of the expectations that are not met for them. So the more you are expecting from art something that art is not about, the more likely you will become disappointed and frustrated, and will have a negative outcome. This is me just thinking out loud. When you have want to have something that is more of a strategy, please check out down below. You will find more in the description a link that will provide you more value. But I think it is important to sit down and to write down what do I expect from art, and to be very skeptic about everything that is not art colorated, that has nothing to do with art. Of course, art can bring you these things, but when you are expecting those things from art, you will become so much difficult. I think it is important to really focus what is art about for you. Is it really about your potential, your talent, bringing the best out of you, contributing to the culture, expressing outstanding, brilliant art? Or is it something that has something to do with art, like happiness or making money and so on? All these things art can deliver, but to expect this from art in the first steps, in the forefront of art, I think this is bringing a lot of frustration, and it's bringing a lot of distraction from the main things. And to think about for you what are the main things for your art is, I think, very important. Otherwise you are losing so much energy and so much passion that you can otherwise focus in your outstanding art, because the talents, the potentials in you are just waiting to be expressed in art. This is just something to think about. I hope you like this idea and you are finding this inspirational. I hope also that I will see you in my next video. Until then, see you soon. Bye bye.